Your travel nurse tenant wants to hang a shower caddy, a curtain rod, and a corkboard for sticky notes. Your gut says, no nails ever, but your brain says she is paying you $2,400 a month and deserves a home, not a cell. Here is the secret nobody tells new midterm hosts. The wall is not your enemy, the wrong hardware is. Command strips and hooks are basically magic when used correctly. They use stretch-release adhesive, which sounds like a wrestling move, but really just means you pull the tab down slow and it lets go clean. No goo, no chipped paint. The catch is weight limits, and this is where people mess up constantly. A small strip holds about 1 pound, a large one holds about 4 pounds, so a heavy mirror needs 4 or 5 strips, not 1. Temperature matters too, which feels random but is not. If your rental does not have great air conditioning and the wall gets above 77 degrees, those strips can slowly slide down like a sad cartoon character. Now let us talk tension rods, because every nurse with a curtain idea reaches for one first. These work great in doorways and closets since they grip with pressure, 0 holes, 0 drama. The mistake is using them on load-bearing decorative needs, like hanging a heavy macrame plant holder from a tension rod meant for a lightweight curtain. Gravity does not care about your Pinterest board, it will just win. Adhesive hooks rated for tile and metal are clutch for kitchens and bathrooms. Just confirm the wall finish first, because satin paint behaves differently than eggshell, and eggshell behaves differently than that weird flat builder grade paint everyone secretly hates. Picture hanging strips with the little foam interlocking pads are another solid yes. They distribute weight sideways instead of pulling straight down, which is the same reason snowshoes work, spreading force so nothing punches through. Here's a number worth remembering, 16. Most walls have studs every 16 inches, and even temporary hardware holds better when it lines up near one, even without going into the stud itself. What you want to avoid approving is anything with the word screw unless it is going into furniture they brought themselves. The second someone says just a tiny screw, that is the horror movie moment where you should slowly back away. Washi tape gets a surprising shout out here too. It sounds like a craft store impulse buy, but it is genuinely great for light decor like postcards or a paper calendar, and it peels off like nothing ever happened. A lot of hosts think saying no to everything protects the walls, but it actually just makes tenants improvise badly with whatever they find in a junk drawer. Clear guidelines beat blanket bans every single time. The real lesson is that midterm renters are not weekend guests. They are living there for months, so a little flexibility with the right products saves you both stress and spackle. Approve smart, not scared, and your paint job survives the whole lease. Want to learn more about setting up midterm rentals the smart way? Check out our links in the description.